Welcome to MKD Crimes, your portal to the real world of crime as it unfolds before your very eyes. Here we dive into the chilling moments, the unexpected twists, and the jaw-dropping encounters captured by the watchful eyes of the community. Get ready for an exclusive look into the crimes, mysteries, and moments that you won't believe were caught on camera. If you're captivated by the raw truth and crave real stories, make sure to subscribe now to join our community of truth seekers. Every day, we bring you the latest, the weirdest, and the most heart-pounding footages that people have witnessed. Stay connected with us on YouTube, Facebook, and even TikTok, where we discuss, analyze, and engage with you, our vigilant viewers. Prepare for the unexpected, because on MKD Crimes, reality is the most compelling story of all. Hit that subscribe button, like and share to join us on this incredible journey through the lens of Ring cameras. Enjoy the show. On August 11th, 2024, a 911 caller has reported an unconfirmed incident at James M. Wood BLVD and S. Burlington Ave. Police are responding to a report of a woman with a gun. Police are on the scene with a non-compliant woman who reportedly has a gun and has returned to her vehicle. Backup has been requested.
2 officers, I'm making a backup for 15 female, possible gun. We're going to be on James and Wood, just east of Burlington.
Any unit in the vicinity, 2875 is requesting backup air unit supervisor for a possible 415 woman with a gun, James M. Wood and Burlington. Correction, east of Burlington. 1220, Rod.
And Glendale. 2 female's not complying. She went back into her vehicle. We have a confirmed ADW.
2875 has a female not complying back in the vehicle. Any unit in the vicinity, 2875 is requesting backup air unit supervisor for a possible 415 woman with a gun, James M. Wood and Burlington. Correction, east of Burlington.
Eastbound traffic on James M. Wood and Bonnie Bray.
Air 3 is requesting unit to eastbound traffic with James M. Wood, Bonnie Bray.
Police have requested additional units to assist with eastbound traffic control at James M. Wood and Bonnie Bray. Police have the woman out of the vehicle, but she is still not complying with officers. Air support is monitoring the situation.
And control, I have the female out of the vehicle, not complying with officers.
Air 3 has the suspect. Correction, the driver out of the vehicle, not complying.
Hey, units go to 6. Do we know if there's any other suffering inside the vehicle?
Police report the woman is out of the vehicle but is hanging onto the driver's door.
281, we can pick up a shield from the station.
2839, 281 is picking up a shield from the station.
39 disregard, we have one at scene.
281, cancel the shield.
Sure. You're responding to the location of the backup.
281, roger.
And control, the suspect's not cooperating with officers. Yeah, she's out the driver window, just hanging onto the door.
As a suspect female, not complying with officers.
I'm on live right now. What the fuck is that? She didn't even got a gun, bro. This was tripping. That foot really trying to, that foot ready. Yeah. In front of the tire shop right here. I can't hear it either. Bruh. What the fuck is that fool saying, bro?
The video that you just watched shows the suspect being detained by officers. Then placing the suspect is in custody, controlling the situation.
Adam 75, Shell Code 4. James Inwood, East of Burlington. Suspect is in custody.
All units, code 4. James Inwood, Burlington, suspect in custody.
11A95. Show me on a traffic stop. Echo Park and Scott. On 9 David King, John 339.
275, repeat the location. 11A95.
Echo Park and Scott.
11A95, traffic stop, Echo Park.
On March 18, 2024, a series of incidents unfolded this afternoon, beginning with an unconfirmed report of gunfire at 7408 South Kenwood Avenue around 2:56 p.m. Authorities quickly responded to a report of 14 rounds fired at the location.
677 is reporting they heard some shots over that way.
Like 7344 squad, right around the corner from us.
361, I'm in the alley.
In the left alley.
Okay, yeah, we got 14 rounds at 7408 South Kenwood, looks like in the rear.
All right, and we're getting one on board now, you guys. 7408 South Kenwood had 14 rounds.
And shortly after, an ambulance arrived on the scene where a person had been shot.
Let's get another. We got an ambulance over here. These shots.
Okay, 361, you said you got a person shot over there?
West alley.
Okay, West Alley of 7408 on Kenwood, we got a person shot, 10-4. We'll get EMS rolling.
No, negative. I'm in the West alley, 24. I'm close up here.
Okay, 324 is in the West Alley over there. And did somebody say we had a person shot?
As the situation developed, police secured the area and confirmed that a shooting occurred in an alley where a robbery took place. By 2:57 p.m., the address for the incident was updated to 7344S Kenwood Avenue, and additional police units were dispatched, with multiple officers arriving on the scene. At 3:01 p.m., police located shell casings in the west alley of the scene, further intensifying the investigation. A video shared from the scene at 3:15 p.m. provided a closer look at the ongoing police activity.
That's a cop. There ain't no cops. I'm telling you, the dude we saw was right down the block on the side. Because we saw him running.
Police station right there on 71st. College Grove. You zoom in with your camera? Yeah, I bet. All right.
At approximately 6:26 a.m. on July 4th, a shooting was reported at 7135 South Woodlawn Avenue. Police quickly responded to a 911 call at 6:28 a.m., which indicated that multiple people had been shot.
Units of 3 known as City West, shot spotter 7130 South Woodlawn, 7130 South Woodlawn, 1 round in the street, no further, 3rd District, Zone 7 clear.
By 6:31 a.m., it was confirmed that 4 individuals had been injured in the incident. A subsequent 911 call at 6:54 a.m. reported that 4 suspects, 2 of whom were wearing ski masks, were involved in the shooting.
EMS Plan 1 for the multiple gunshot victim, 7135 Woodlawn. The EMS Plan 1 for the multiple gunshot victim, 7135 Woodlawn.
Right now, all companies on the Plan 1 on Woodlawn, we have a report of possibly 4 people shot. 4 people reported shot.
All right, one thing, description states most people are shot inside 7122 Woodlawn. They saw 4 vendors, 2 had ski masks, but no description of where they went, no direction of flight.
The Chicago Fire Department later confirmed through a tweet at 8:04 a.m. that multiple victims had been shot and transported to local hospitals. By 8:29 a.m., it was revealed that 1 person had been killed and 4 others, including 3 children, had been shot near Grand Crossing. All 4 victims transported from the scene were listed in critical condition at 8:33 a.m. Chicago police announced a press conference scheduled to begin at 8:43 a.m. to provide further updates. During the 9:02 a.m. briefing, officials confirmed the tragic deaths of 2 adult females, aged 42 and 22, with 3 children remaining in critical condition at a nearby hospital. The children were reported to be between the ages of 5 and 8. At 9:07 a.m., authorities stated that the suspects had arrived at the scene in multiple vehicles and had specifically targeted a residence, but no further details about the suspects were released. By 9:44 a.m., detectives on the scene were asked to contact the Strategic Decision Support Center, SDSC room for additional information. The situation took a heartbreaking turn on July 5th at 8:11 a.m. when the Cook County Medical Examiner's Office confirmed that the 8-year-old boy had succumbed to his injuries. His identity has not been released. The other 2 children, aged 5 and 8, remain in critical condition.
Just to echo the statements that they really gave, this is when violence has to stop. Liquid guns, bad combination. Something seems started.
Any issues on the block or anything going on with these folks anytime?
No, I'm not aware of the specific issues that led to this morning. Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us on another riveting journey into the world of real crime caught on camera. The evidence we've seen today is a powerful reminder of the importance of home security. Before you go, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Give us a thumbs up if you found these real-life stories as gripping as we share these videos with your fellow crime enthusiast. Let's grow this community together. If you have a story you'd like us to investigate or any comments to share, drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you, and remember, stay vigilant. Stay safe, and always keep an eye out. The next chilling story could be happening right in your own neighborhood.